We'll guide you through how to add local files to Spotify. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Spotify, so you can see we're doing this on a computer, but we've also got a guide doing this on a phone or mobile as well. So essentially, adding in local files is really convenient because in some cases you may want to go and listen to music through Spotify which isn't on the platform, it hasn't been added, but you've got the file for it. And so therefore you want to go and add it. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure these full guides, you don't go and miss anything, as we're going to guide you through how you need to go about this, as there are multiple steps you need to know. So then without further ado, let's go and get started. So in Spotify, what you need to do is go and head to the top right. There you're going to go and find your profile icon, which you then need to go and click on like so. You'll get a list of options and you need to go down and find the option for settings, as you can see. Click on it. Now what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the section Your Library. And in here, you're going to see some different options. But what you need to do is go and find Show Local Files. So this will go and start showing them. So we can go and switch it on. Now what we need to do is you need to make sure we go and add the right ones. So scroll down and you're going to have Show Songs From. Now what you could do is you can go and choose where you want to import them from. So what I've got is I've got a folder on my desktop called Latest. So I recommend you make a folder. You can go and right click and put the music in a folder that you want to go and do this with. Or you may already have them in your music library or your downloads or another file location in a folder. So press add a source and you can locate it. So let's go and say you had a folder in your documents with your music. Click the arrow to the left to expand it and you can then go and find it. You can select it and press OK. In my case, it's on the desktop. So I'm going to select desktop. And what we can then do is go and find the folder I made called latest. So it's just easier to them all in one place. You can add multiple sources though. So with it selected, you can then go and press OK. And you need to make sure that it's switched on. Now what you need to do is go and find local files. It should go and appear over to the left with that little green icon, or you can click, hold and drag this line across to go and find it. You can always come to the left of library and press search, and you can go and type in local files and go and click it as well. Then you can scroll down and go and see the songs in here. So now you can see them here, but you probably want to add them to your other playlist. So you can go and press the plus over to the right and go and click on it. And you can then choose where you want to go and add it. So I could add to my playlist 7. I'll go and remove it from like songs and add it to others as well and press done. And that's it. Now that song is going to be in the playlists.